Now I'd like to show you the difference between accessing Logitech MediaServer on a browser compared to an iPad. What we have to do first is type the IP address in of the Raspberry Pi computer that Logitech MediaServer is on. Now we can go down to Spotify, open our playlist, and then we can select a artist or some genre of music that we'd like to listen to. And of course, first of all, you have to know the IP address of the computer that you're on, and then you have to type :9000, which is the port that the Logitech MediaServer resides on. And it's just not very intuitive, I don't think. The iPad application just kind of automatically does all this. It finds the server for you. Now, as you can see, I'm playing various music here through various applications, and we'll switch from Spotify here in a minute, and we'll go back home, and then we'll select the Pandora application. And Logitech MediaServer's got a variety of plugins that you can use. I like TuneIn Radio, Pandora, and Spotify the best. The interface here is just not quite as slick as the iPad, which we'll see in just a second. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same thing on an iPad. First thing we're going to do is open our Squeezebox application. And that gets us inside there. Now what we want to do is go to My Apps. And that shows our Pandora, our TuneIn Radio, and our Spotify. We'll open Pandora up now. And we'll go take a look at our stations. Scroll down to Miss Allison Krauss. And then we'll go ahead and select her station. And you can see that it's beginning to play music nicely. Now, I like the iPad interface a lot better than the browser interface. If for no other reason, it's just more convenient. So, okay, now we'll go ahead and stop the music here. And then we'll go back to Spotify. And we'll show you how that works. We'll go ahead and click on a playlist. We'll scroll down and we'll select Boston. And then we'll go ahead and initiate one of the songs on the Boston playlist there. So it's a really nice experience here using the iPad instead of going to a browser and pulling up the Logitech MediaServer. It's a much cleaner interface, seems to operate a little faster, and it's a lot more enjoyable, and you don't have a laptop on your lap the whole time. Thanks for listening.